Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 6, leçon M. And in this lesson, we'll discover together le passé composé of the verb savoir. Savoir is to know. It's quite used and quite useful. Okay? But then keep in mind that this lesson regarding passé composé is the last one. Okay? So if you're not sure how to make it, remember that in Unit 5, I did a big lesson regarding le passé composé. And then in Unit 6, few verbs were, well, it was possible to see them, okay? But then after that, we won't see le passé composé again. All right, so let's start now. Le passé composé, savoir, goes like j'ai su. Tu as su. Il a su. Elle a su. Nous avons su. Vous avez su. Ils ont su. Elles ont su. All right? So, for the last time, in most of the cases for the verbs, we will use avoir and then we'll use the participe passé form. In that case, savoir becomes su. Okay? So that's the reason why that's the form that you will see at the end of each forms here, okay, and then avoir should be at the present form, all right? J'ai su, tu as su, il a su, elle a su, nous avons su, vous avez su, ils ont su, elles ont su. That's it for le passé composé. So now if you want to see something new, then youtube.com/imagier is waiting for you, and then the website is here. Au revoir.